friends, often, and possibly for good reasons, those of our generation are accused of not doing enough to prepare a good future for our youth. But with ventures like the present, aimed at capacity building in our students, in our youth, and in fact in our future itself, at least we cannot be accused of doing what I should say our bit in preparing our youth for the future. These ventures, according to me, should serve as a clearinghouse of ideas where pros and cons of diverse problems that ail the conventional legal systems world over, and these can be deliberated upon by the young minds, aided and assisted by the wealth of talent and experience which is gathered here from world over in our most beautiful land of Goa. History repeats itself because when an event takes place on the first occasion, there are perhaps many who are less attentive. When it comes to the turn from litigation to mediation, may history repeat itself, and may we, at least on this occasion, be more attentive.
We all agree that alternative dispute resolution is supposed to be taking off, need of the hour. So many articles written, so many things were published, so many laws were made. But ultimately, the quality of ADR depends upon the quality of the persons who are managing it. And what should be the responsibility of a law school? Because law school is a starting point for all judges, lawyers, all legal professionals. If not law schools, who will do this? The Bar Council of India has insisted that ADR as a compulsory subject, and from 2008 rules probably implemented from 2010. But hardly few law schools have the expertise to offer this as a mandatory practical course. And that is one of the reasons why we want to spread ADR among the law students, particularly in India. And also we want to bring some of the best mediators in the world, bring that experience to all the students who are participating in the Lex Infinitum.